have the perfect on-the-go breakfast smoothie for you all. So what I'm going to be using in this one is 1 scoop of the Happy Way salted caramel protein powder. However, you can use whichever protein powder you have at home for this one. I've got about a 1/4 cup here of rolled oats. This is going to increase the fibre intake in your smoothie and keep you feeling fuller for longer. I've got some frozen banana. I'm going to be using 1 kiwi fruit because it's super rich in vitamin C to support your immune system. I have got about a handful here of baby spinach because we've got to try and increase our greens as often as we can. I'll be using 1 cup of almond milk, and I'll be using about a tablespoon of almond butter because it is rich in healthy fats, and I've got some ice here as well. So all you need to do to make this one is add all of these ingredients into your blender and then blend it until it's nice and smooth and creamy.